Hey guys, Arvin Vohra, founder of Vohra Method. In this video, we're going to talk about the magic of the Vohra Method checklist. Here's where the magic comes from. This checklist, all these math worksheets over here, doesn't have that many problems. Maybe a couple hundred problems. If you know all of this material, if you have mastery of this material, you'll be able to do all the problems on here in a day or two. On the other hand, if you haven't finished it, it's not because you didn't put enough time in or something. It means that you have not yet mastered the skills that you need. This is not a measure of just completeness. We're not saying here's the percentage of stuff that you need to do. This is actually a measure of your skill level itself. If your skill level is where it needs to be, you're finished. You're going to be finished because the whole thing won't take you very long. On the other hand, if you're not finished with this checklist, it means your skill level is not where it needs to be yet. Let's look over here. It says approximately 0% of the math skills needed for the first SAT attempt are developed. That means that this is not telling you how much of this busy work you need to do. That's not what this is. This is not like school where we're just having you do stuff just to do it. Here, this is measuring how many skills you've developed and how many skills remain to be developed. This is also true in the verbal side, by the way. If you know this stuff, you'll be able to do all of this in maybe 2 or 3 days. So it's not that there's so many things to do. There's not a large number of problems in our program. There's a lot of skills that need to be developed. So don't use this checklist as like, you're checking off tasks that need to be completed. That's not what this is. Think of this checklist as a measurement of your current skill level. If you're done with the checklist, it means your skill level is where it needs to be and you're ready to take a test. If not, I would advise against taking any test. You're not ready for it. Even if you've been in class a million times and you come to class, if you're not seeing 100% here and 100% there, if you haven't seen, if you don't see all this stuff here completed, it means that you have more skills to develop. Not just more work to do, you have more skills to develop before you're ready to take an actual SAT test.